The food and beverage landscape is evolving, and creating category-leading products has never been more challenging. The world needs a partner who is willing to champion an uncommon approach. From advanced market and consumer insights to industry-first innovation, we are more than an ingredient supplier. At IFF, the potent combination of our science and creativity provides essential solutions for a better, healthier world. With 130 years of history, we continue to nourish the future. Today, we are proud to unveil our state-of-the-art facility in Karawang. Take a journey with us and see how we bring your products to life, from a small idea to relevant market-ready solutions. As the largest flavor manufacturing facility in Asia, this site boasts the newest technologies that ensure optimal consistency and quality control. In our production process, we streamline our operations through artificial intelligence, ensuring precision and accuracy across all of our products. Together, with unmatched R&D capabilities, technical expertise, and access to the broadest portfolio of ingredients, we provide end-to-end product design from purpose to plate. We always have your back. From certifications to traceability, we make sure that there is no stone left unturned. We are here to reimagine innovation. We embrace the ever-changing trends of the diverse Asian landscape and make a tangible impact with unmatched innovation, agility, and leading-edge insights, allowing us to truly understand your needs to deliver outstanding products, no matter the taste, preference, or location. We are also on a mission to do more good. We are proud of how our responsibilities to people, products, and planet are translating into progress. Our initiatives range from zero waste to landfill, reductions in greenhouse gas emissions, energy, water, and hazardous waste make Karawang a regional leader in sustainability. With our new facility, we are equipped to pioneer leading product innovation. Together, let's open our doors to a new world of possibilities.